Hi students, in this short video I want to teach you how to convert from decimal to a fraction, and then later the fraction must be in the simplest form. So as you can see over here, 0.5 is the first example. This one uh, this decimal has only one decimal place, and then as you can see over here, you can, since this one is only one decimal place, then it means you can convert this decimal to a tenth. So you divide by 10. So this one is 5 out of 10. Now, and then please, after that, please have the factors of 10 ready with you, right? So we have the factors of 10. We list down the factors of 10, 1, and then 10. So we start with the first with 1, and then we go to the second one, and then get the next factor pairs. Now, and then as the next step will be, we just copy this fraction again. Now we copy the fractions in the with a longer line over there, just like that. And then we need to divide by the greatest common factor, so that we can get the simplest form. Now, so as you can see over there, over here, now you can see that these are the factors of 10, and then how to find the common factors for 5 and 10 over here. So we start with, since this one is 5, the numerator is 5, we try to find the 5 over there. If we find it, then we just use it, but if we cannot find it, then we just try to find the common factors. So you see, as we find it in the list over here, we can find the 5, right? So we can use the 5 over here. So let's just use the 5 and then divide by 5 also. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay, so this is the first example. Let me show you another example. Now this one is 6.8, the same, right? This one you have only one decimal place, then it means you can convert this into tenths. So you have your factors of 10 ready with you, and then let's do the conversion from the first conversion, right? Okay, 6, this one convert to tenths, then this one 6, 8 out of 10. Then what we need to do is we copy the fractions again, 6 and then 8 out of 10 with a longer line over here. We need to find the common factor between 8 and 10. So we come back to the list of factors again. You see this numerator is 8, and then we try to find the 8 here, right? We cannot find 8, and then we try to move lower, move to the smaller number. 7, 6 is not also right. And then you see the factors of 8 and 10. I think the possible factors is only the 2. So you just use the 2 over here. 2 divided by 8 divided, so we copy the 6, the whole number, and then 8 divided by 2 is 4, and then 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, so this is the how to convert from this decimal, and then continue to another example. This is another example. Now, so as we can see over here, this one is 4.08, and then you have two decimal places. So it means then you can convert this decimal to hundredths. So what you need to do is you just copy the 4 of the whole number and then divide by 100, right? So this one, as you can see over here, this one is 0.8, then it means this one is only 8. Now, and then always remember, so since this one is hundredths, then you need to list down all the factors of 100, and then these are the factors, the pairs of factors that can build into 100. And then after that, you just copy the fraction again, 4, and then this one is 8 and 100. Then we need to find the common factors, so we just try to find the 8 first. Okay, since this one is 8, let's try to find the 8. Oh, there's no 8 over here, so we move smaller. I don't think 5 is the factor of 8, right? And then we go to the 4. 4 is the factor of 8, then we can use this 4. So what you need to do is you just divide by 4, use that number as the common factors, 4, and then you can see that this one we have 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and then 100 divided by 4 is 25. Okay, so if you can see the 25, you can just see this one over here, like 4 with 25. Divide by 4, you get 25. Okay, the next one, this one 0.25. So same thing, this one 2 decimal places, then it means hundreds. You divide by 100, then this one is 25. Then we come back again, we copy the fractions again, and then we try to find the common factors. You see this one 25, right? Let's just try to find the in the list over here. Now we find the 25 over here, so we can use the 25, and then we just use divide by 25. 25 divided by 25 is 1, and then 100 divided by 25 is the 4. Okay, so this is the result, 1 out of 4, the simplest form. And then last examples, let me show you. This is 8.45. Same thing, this one we have 2 decimal places. It means you can divide by 100, right? Divide by 100 over here, and then the numerator will be 45. Then copy the fractions again. Copy the fraction, the original fraction, with longer line over here. So let me, okay, so this one, as you can see over here, this is the original fraction, and then let's try to find the common factors, greatest common factor. See, start from 45, right? There's nothing 45 over here. 25, I don't think this one is a factor of 45. 20 also not. 10 is also not. And then 5, now we can use the 5, right? Okay, so we just use the 5 here, 5, and then this one also 5. And then when we do it, this one 8. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So that's how you do the conversion from decimal to fractions. Okay, thank you.